Okay, finalizing our luggages.
6.9.
Okay.
Luggages for tomorrow.
Ayan.
Wait, ilan? 6. Today is July 30.
So, how do you feel that we're going home today?
Excited and happy.
Same as his. So. And then.
Hey!
My one hand.
Kuya is serious over there. B3. Hey!
Hey, look at the kid.
Kuya, ika naman dyan.
Stop. Go.
We are waiting pa na mag-open yung gate. Medyo napaaga kami. Pero okay lang. At least, di ba, mas maaga. Mas okay na.
Oh, trying chicken.
The luggages. Yes. And tinignan muna namin bago kami kumain. Makain na kami. Tapos syempre, McDonald's muna bago pumunta sa boarding gate. Gutom yarn. They have pizza passion. Harap ko. Tatlo, €1.99. Going to the gate na. Where are you? 53. Going to Dubai. Ang dami na ng tao. So, syempre, passport control muna tayo.
Hello,
Ready? Inside the plane. Kuya. Okay. I'm going to Dubai. Jiro got some gifts. Yeah. Si Kuya hindi na kasi big boy na siya. There's the food of Jiro. It's like KFC Jiro. Up for KFC.
Can I eat now?
That's our food. Sayang wala ng beef potato. Ayan, ano yan? Pesto pasta. Also,
What is this one?
cheese, maybe. Why are you asking? So, Jiro. Kuya, on the other side. Ice cream and Jiro. What's yours? Up. We got ice cream. So we are already here in Dubai. It's our connecting flight going to the Philippines. Say hi, guys. Napagod?
I just had an adrenaline rush.
So let's look for our gate. Nakalagay kasi B. Maybe over there, B.
B1?
Wait lang, check ko online. Almost. Nakalagay sa app B6.
Wait. Ayun si Buta, boss.
Nakalagay B6, tama. Yeah, let's go. Tara. B6.
B6. Wait lang, ulit.
Ayun o, sa sign B6.
Saan?
Ayun.
Hi Hi there! Chiro, excited naman.
And tired.
Jollibee!
And tired.
Jollibee and tired. Tara na.
Bakit ang konti ng tao? Na.
I don't know. Then, sleepy and tired. Sige, sleep ka muna. 1.8 ang mahal.
Can you listen?
Kuya, where's your pillow? Ayan, dala-dala nila yung mga unan nila. That's the plane that we will be riding.
Wait.
Ay, Chiro. Chiro, look.
That's why. Everything.
Hi, so it's a plane going to Clark.
Stop.
Eh, ikaw muna daw, Chiro. Eh, going to Cebu muna siya. Chiro. Basta may fish at suba. Ah, pasta. Masarap man to, kuya. Masarap to. Wait na.
بعد قليل الرجاء من حضراتكم العودة إلى مقاعدكم.
Kunti ng
We are here in Cebu, Mactan International Airport. So, ayan, magbababa lang sila ng passengers at magsasakay din. Diba? Let me show you the airport. Chiro will show you the airport. Camera ka na ayusin mo man. Then show us. In 3 hours, we will be in Clark. So, how do you feel about it? What can you say, Chiro?
Good.
How about you? What can you say? You're busy. They are busy. They don't want to talk to you. Oh, wow. This is a little bite mo. Parang bread. It's good. We're here in Clark. Jiro, look. What's up? We're in Clark now. Arrival. So, okay. Hi, diretso Starbucks.
Dala ko yung switch.
Wow, you're taller than me na. Ano? Ano? Hi, Jiro. Ay, yung hug me naman. Ay, yung hug me naman. O, deng meng yung dupo, pa Starbucks la pa. Let's try Starbucks here. Yee? Yee? What's that? What's that? Aro, kasaya na. May aliwaya ka smile. Ito ano? Fries agad. Ano, taste like? Yaman?
Delicious or mas delicious yung fries sa Germany?
na si Chloe.
Ay, kilala ka ba niya? Pareho kayong mabulok. Eh? Ah?
Yung mga kilala si Chloe, ha?
Hindi, hindi nga.
Le.
Hindi nga na.
Ayun si Luna. Asan si Luna?
Kasama mo yun.
Wala mo.
Sige ka pa sa
Ano, Chloe?
Ano, may pipiling marang pagpik pa sana sa...
Eh? Ay!
Diban?
Massage niya si Chloe eh. Ano? Si Luna, binibigay na si ni Tita Kaka kanina sa'yo eh. Hindi yung pinansin.
Hindi, pinapin ko lang pero...
Ayaw niya. We're home! Na-surprise din si Chloe. So, let's eat na. Si Lolo. Hi there. There's Lolo. Hello.
Back.
We're back. We're back.
I don't remember anything.
I don't remember anything. So, mga antana, syempre, ang food natin, first food, Jollibee! Bida ang sarap. Oh, let's eat. Let's eat! Flag?
Yes, nandun din.
Oo.
Rice.
Kain
How
muna
about
ka
chicken?
ba? Rice
And
and...
chicken.
Oh.
Feels like I've been gone for so long, for so long, for so long.
We're back. Say hi, Lolo. Look at your handsome. Baka mas matangkad siya pa. Dapat kaya ka kanya ni mas matangkad siya pa kaya.
Moonlight on the lawn, and your hand-me-down car feels so far, feels so far.